Out in the Texas flatlands. It's coming from underground. The water here is hard, hostile, full of minerals that will eat through a traditional steel pipe in 4 to 5 years. But this town has found a way to defeat the underground evils. Boreline FlexiRiser, a unique type of flexible hose that can stand up to those corrosive forces. These installations are part of an investment in new infrastructure to accommodate growing populations in the Lone Star State. The initial project consists of over 50 wells, ranging in depth from 350 to 500 feet. Each well has a pump motor with around 100 horsepower and produces 800 to 900 gallons per minute. Pump installation and service has never been easier. No more bringing in a crane and assembling pipe segments one at a time. Just use the custom FlexiRiser hydraulic pump puller and spool it off. The FlexiRiser Pump Puller is ideal for situations where there's a small footprint around the well, or there are overhead power cables, buildings, or other obstructions. Got a problem with your well? No worries, we've got your back. So go ahead, make your day.